Today, we're going to dive into a tool that has totally changed the game for how modern teams work together. I'm talking about Slack. It makes this big promise of a world with way less email and a lot more getting things done. But, how does it actually pull that off?
Okay, let's just start with the feeling we all know. That feeling of being totally buried under a mountain of reply-all emails, right? And you're trying to figure out what's going on in a conversation that's split into 10 different directions. It's a nightmare.
Or what about this one? That sinking feeling in your gut when you know someone sent you that file, maybe 2 months ago, but good luck finding it in that disaster of an inbox.
Yep.
We've all been there.
So these frustrations, they really shine a light on the main problem with using email for team collaboration today. It's just slow, it's disorganized, and honestly, it wasn't built for the super fast-paced way we work now. This whole situation just sets the stage perfectly for a new solution. So what is this modern solution that millions of people have switched to? Well, it's time to get into it and to find exactly what Slack is and how it tackles these problems head-on.
At its core, Slack is really a platform built for one main reason: to get rid of those messy, never-ending email chains. It was literally designed from the ground up to make communication at work faster and, maybe more importantly, way more organized.
And here's the best way to really get your head around it. Just think of Slack as your team's digital headquarters. It's that one central place where all the conversations, all the files, and all the tools live together. Okay, so a digital headquarters sounds pretty cool, but how does it actually work? How does it stop itself from becoming just as chaotic as an email inbox? Let's break down the really clever way Slack keeps everything organized.
It all starts at the very top with something called the workspace. This is like the main building, the whole container for your company. So a company, let's call them Rapid Byte Technologies, would have one single workspace for every single one of their employees.
Now, inside that main building, all the communication gets broken down into channels. And the best way to think about channels is like different rooms for different topics. So you might have a channel for the marketing team, another one for company-wide announcements, or even a temporary one for a specific project, like #project website. This right here is the secret to keeping conversations focused.
And to stop those channels from getting super noisy, Slack has threads. So when someone posts a message, instead of everyone replying and cluttering up the main channel, you can start a little side conversation that stays attached to that original message. It's a really simple but honestly powerful way to have detailed chats without derailing the main conversation.
The way people talk is totally different too. It's not about writing up a formal email. It's all about quick updates and getting feedback in real time. A couple of emoji reactions can completely replace a whole "got it, thanks" email, which makes the entire process so much faster and more fluid. Another huge win is file sharing. You know how email has attachment size limits and it's just clunky? Well, Slack makes it incredibly easy to just drag and drop all kinds of files right into a conversation. We're talking documents, images, even little snippets of code.
But what if you need to actually talk something out real quick? That's what Huddles are for. It's basically like tapping a coworker on the shoulder for a quick chat, but you do it digitally. You can start an instant voice or video call right there in the channel, no need to schedule a whole formal meeting.
Now this might just be the most powerful feature of them all: search. Everything that ever happens in Slack is saved and searchable. So a brand new employee could just type API documentation, and they'd instantly find every single file and conversation about that topic from months or even years ago. It's like having a collective brain for your entire team.
But Slack doesn't just live on an island by itself. A huge part of its power is how it connects with the other tools your team is already using. For example, if you connect it to GitHub, every time a developer pushes new code, an automatic update can pop right into the project channel, keeping everyone in the loop without anyone having to do a thing.
So we've gone over the core features, but let's see how this all comes together in the real world for a few different kinds of teams. All right, take a software team. They can pretty much live and breathe by those GitHub integrations for instant code updates. A marketing team? They can throw new designs in a channel and get immediate threaded feedback from everyone. And a customer support team can use a special channel to all jump on an urgent problem and solve it way faster. Okay, this brings us to the final showdown. How does this new way of working actually stack up against the old way? Let's put Slack and email head to head. Let's put them right next to each other. In one corner, you've got the instant, organized world of Slack, and in the other, the traditional one thing after another inbox. Let's see how they really compare. And wow, the differences are pretty stark. When it comes to speed, you've got
Instant versus, well, slow. For organization, it's tidy channels versus one giant, messy inbox. And when you look at how easy it is to collaborate and find things, it's really clear that Slack was built for a type of teamwork that email just was never designed for.
So, just to sum up the big advantages, Slack gives you super organized communication and channels, which just crushes that internal email overload. It's amazing for remote and hybrid teams, and those integrations turn it into a true central hub for all your work.
But hey, no tool is perfect, right? It's also important to look at the downsides. All those notifications can definitely get distracting if you don't manage them. The free plan limits how far back you can search your messages, and for really formal external communication, good old email probably still has its place.
So, what's the big picture here? When you really step back, Slack isn't just another app. It's a whole different philosophy about how to work. It's a powerful system that's been designed from the very beginning for efficient, organized, real-time collaboration. And that brings us right back to where we started, but now with a totally new perspective. After seeing what's possible, the real question isn't just about email anymore. It's about whether the way your team is communicating is actually helping you, or is it holding you back? Thanks for tuning in.